Are you struggling to apply superelevation correctly in Civil 3D? By the end of this video, you will learn how to apply superelevation correctly to your road design. Civil 3D takes into account other factors such as curve, station, locations, and assembly geometry. Superelevation information is associated with the alignment but is handled in a separate calculation area. In this video, we will apply and configure superelevation to an road alignment. You can open 1103 Super DWG from the description link which you can get, but if you did not find that, please write down in the comment box. I will drop you this drawing. Once you will open this drawing, you will see a surface and an alignment. Just select this alignment, and from the alignment contextual tab, select superelevation, calculate edit superelevation. Then edit superelevation. Here you will get two options: calculate superelevation now and open the superelevation curve manager. As now we have not any calculated superelevation, so we will just click on calculate superelevation now. Here on the calculate superelevation road type, we have undivided ground road, so we will just check this option. In the previous video, we already have been calculate superelevation for undivided planar road. For pivot method, we will see here we have many methods, but for now we will go with central line, base line, and then you will press next. On the page calculate superelevation lanes, just verify that symmetric roadway here checked, and set normal lane width to 4 meter here, and a normal lane slope minus 2%. Then click on the next button. On the calculate superelevation shoulder control page, make sure the calculate check box is selected, and then it should be on the right side, no checked on the left side. Just make sure. Set normal shoulder width to 2 meters, and set normal shoulder slope to minus 5%. If it is already, then you just leave that as it is. For shoulder slope treatment for the low side, just confirm it should be breakover removal, and also for the high side should be default slope. And then just check box here against the maximum shoulder rule over, and you can put your slope here, which is just 8%. Okay, then click next here, and on the calculate superelevation attainment page, click the ellipsis button to set the design criteria file to 2004 for metric roadway. Okay, just open this, and superelevation rate table should be E max 4%. You can also select any other if you have your design requirement. Then set the transition length table for 2 lane, and attainment method should be ASTO 2004 ground road. Again, place the check mark next to the apply curve smooth, and you can put here curve length 20 meter, or if you have any other criteria, you can put them here. Just leave all other settings at their default and click here on the finish. Now you should now see the Superelevation tabular editor appear inside panorama with the data resulting from the wizard. Examine your alignment. You should now have labels showing the Superelevation critical station created by the wizard. As you click on the table, you will see helpful glimpses showing on your design here on the Superelevation, which will show you that how you are editing your Superelevation and how your edits for your Superelevation parts. So this is how you can calculate your Superelevation for your any road design, and after calculation how you can edit your runout, runoff and level grounds, everything about your Superelevation. Hope you liked this video. Please stay with us for these type of helpful and technical Civil 3D videos.